You've got some cash and you need to get it into your Neon account. It's a common question, and thankfully, the process is straightforward once you know where to go and what to do. Depositing physical money into a digital-first bank like Neon is done through a few key partners and methods. Since Neon operates without its own physical branch network, they rely on external services to handle cash transactions. The primary way customers in Switzerland deposit cash is by using a payment slip at a Swiss post office counter. You will need a specific type of payment slip that includes your Neon IBAN and reference information, which you can usually generate or order within the Neon app or through their customer service. Take your cash and this completed payment slip to any post office counter. They will process the payment, and the funds will be transferred to your account, though a small fee may apply, and there might be a daily or per transaction limit set by the post office. Another option for some users, depending on Neon's current partnerships, might be using third-party services like Sonnect. Sonnect works with various shops and businesses that act as cash points. Through the Sonnect function within the Neon app, you can generate a barcode. You then take your cash and the barcode to a partner location, and the cashier scans it, taking your cash. The funds are then digitally credited to your Neon account. This method offers more flexibility regarding location and opening hours compared to the post office. Always double-check the latest instructions, fees, and daily limits directly in the Neon app or on their official website before heading out to make a deposit. Rules and partnerships can change, and you want to ensure the process is as smooth and cost-effective as possible. Once the transaction is completed, you should receive a confirmation and see the deposited amount reflected in your account balance shortly after. Usually within minutes for Sonnect or a few hours for the post office, depending on their processing times.